Here you're going to learn the ins and outs very briefly about verification and validation and the difference between the two. Yeah, I would trip up sometimes getting them mixed up. I had some mentors and was reading some literature on how to separate them. You're going to learn that in a couple minutes. Now, the whole point is for an engineering endeavor, we need to build a product and we need to make sure it works. That is the whole point of testing. Now, testing, first off, can mean a lot of different things. It can mean doing an actual test in a lab or out in the field. We can do some analysis, maybe run some modeling or simulation. We can have a demonstration where we just have the product on a table and we do some demonstrations for it. That's absolutely valid. And then sometimes we verify a product through inspection. We're either measuring its weight or measuring dimensions. We inspect some physical properties of the product, or maybe we're inspecting drawings, to make sure certain drawings are in order. So when I say test, it could be any of these four. Now, the big difference, though, between verification and validation is that verification asks, does the design meet the requirements? So the requirements that we've given this product, sometimes called the design input requirements, does the design either in a model or as a prototype meet those requirements? Okay. Now, there can be millions spent on verification for a large program, so this is a big deal. Now, validation sometimes happens near the tail end of verification. The product's almost done. Traditionally, doesn't have to though. We're doing verification and validation earlier on in the program. But validation is where we ask, did we design the correct product? So as you might recall from some other videos, the systems engineering, it starts when a customer comes to us with a need. There's some pain point that the customer has money to spend to help alleviate that pain point. Now our product or system that we develop, it can be as fancy as we want it, but if it doesn't solve that pain point, then it's a failure. So validation makes sure that we built the right product, looping back around to the needs of the customer. And did we fulfill the original need? Did we address the original pain point? So that's validation. Both are necessary. And a lot of times on smaller projects, they combine them. That can be done, but know that there are two separate activities that are occasionally combined. It's not just one big soup of something's what they call V&V. So again, the whole point is to make sure it works, but also to make sure that it's the right product that helps the customer. Message me below if this resonates with you, if you have other opinions, and I look forward to hearing from you.